Today, I'm going to be showing you activity to do with students who may be in the word pattern stage. This activity is called Word Whack Whoa. And what you could do is you would print out a Word Whack Whoa worksheet. You can laminate them or put them in a protective sleeve for students to use dry erase markers. And then what you will do is you will have the students write their sight words on any place in the box. And it's kind of like bingo. As you pull an index card, you can call out the word, and then students must place a chip over the word, and then the first to make a bingo either vertically, horizontally, or diagonally, or even you can do a blackout bingo with the word whack whoa sight words, wins. It's very simple. Students can kind of guide themselves in a small group activity or with you, or they can do it as a game within themselves if they're very familiar with the sight words given.